How to reset progress in Duolingo. Now, can you start over on Duolingo? Yes, you can. If you'd like to restart a course, aka start with the basics, you want to remove the course and then re-add it back again. The way you would do this is basically removing a language, saving it, and going back again and adding the language again. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is go over to your profile tab. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see settings. Now tap that, and once you head into settings, you have to scroll down and find manage courses. From there, you're gonna see all of the languages that you've been studying. Mine is German, and you can see remove language. Once you tap remove, it's going to ask you, are you sure if you want to remove it? Now remove it. It doesn't matter if you hit save in the top right corner or not. It's going to remove the language completely. Once you close the app and head back in, it's going to restart everything all over again. And that's how to reset your progress in Duolingo.